Wow, what a move. Holy crap. Jeez, 30 points. You want beef too, or just chicken? Corey. Yeah. Question. Yeah. Later. I will. Poor daddy.
Alright. Well, I don't know if anyone's on the stream, but I am just doing some testing of the live stream here. Tokyo Open trading the fair value gap continuation model by Riley Trades. I didn't link to it, but it's linked in every one of my videos. It's linked to his channel. So if you need to know what the model is, what the entry model is, please just go to his channel. Anyway, we got 8 p.m. open, well, 8 p.m. Eastern time. It's open now, so going to be looking for this fair value gap continuation trade, which is basically just looking or waiting for displacement to create a fair value gap. Then waiting for a pullback into the fair value gap, and then looking to trade away from the fair value gap. Pretty simple. Anyway, see what happens. I really want to go short. There's this, this Ivy level down here at 51.72. We just hit this. Looks to be an order block, so a bearish order block. But if it pushes through it, then obviously I'm bullish. But I'm looking for displacement down. Anyway, just be patient and hang out and wait and see what happens. I'm going to be trading two accounts. Actually, I'm on another monitor. So if you hear entry signals going off, that's because I have another monitor going. We inverse this, then we're definitely bearish. I got a bullish signal here, just from an indicator I built, but that just looks for a 3 candlestick pattern, which is bullish, bearish, bullish. That's why that little green triangle is there, but I'm not convinced that we're going to go bullish. We do have this IB level up here. I like this is the indicator I use for initial balance. About the script. It's called Initial Balance Wave Map. It basically just lists out, the initial balance levels, which are great for gold, I found. So I use them as draws on liquidity. The only other indicator I have up is this ICT kill zones, which just shows me the New York PM session highs and lows, which we've already taken out the high. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So, no, maybe. Let's see. No, no fair value gap there. So what I'm looking for is a bearish fair value gap. Because I have a bearish bias today. So we'll see what happens. For gold, I typically have been doing minimum like 4-point stop loss. So I just kind of set up my tool. I just kind of have it ready. It's not perfect just because I trade from from TradingView, and I just kind of use it to kind of gauge what the trade will look like. So I'll just set it up kind of like this. So 5 points with 5 micros would be $250. That's just kind of how that works. So that's what I do. Okay, well, I mean, we're looking bullish, so interesting. Okay, well, whatever. I mean, I'm not married to my bias, so whatever works. The only thing I have to watch for is, when you take out levels that I've got marked out, like this could be a potential sweep to go short. Just don't know. So we'll see what happens. But I trade whatever is presented. If it's a bullish signal, then I go bullish. Pretty simple. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Can't close below 50% of the fair value gap. Wicks are fine, just can't close below. So this is kind of how I set that up. It would be, I would do a 5-point stop loss here. Well, maybe 4.5. If we get an entry signal, which is close above previous candle high. Waiting. 3, 2, 1. Nope, nothing yet. Just continue going. That's my dog shaking her head. Here we go. This could be a trade. Going long. Wait for candle close. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and enter anyway. It's really close. We'll see what happens. I'm going to do 4 points. Hopping over to my other chart. Oh, gosh. Okay, so we got a candle close above the previous candle high on this one here. We're going to see if we get another one. It'd be really good if we got another one right here. Oh, nope. Okay. Still in the trade, though. See what happens. The only concern I have is we swept buy side, or what appears to be buy side, liquidity, but we did inverse this fair value gap here. So we'll see what happens. Love to see a push above one of these candle highs. That'll kind of confirm. The thing is that there we go. Come on, push. There we go. Boom. Nice. All right, one and done. 4 points. Nice. Close this out. Take a screenshot for the journal. All right, so we'll be back 9 p.m. I stop trading once I have a win or a loss, and then wait for the next hourly candle open. So I'll come back at 9 p.m. and see if we get another winner. If not, then I'll be back at midnight. Everything's Eastern time, and we'll see if that works out. I don't know who's on the stream. I really haven't streamed in so long. I don't even know if the audio is working. So it'd be kind of cool if someone could chat, just saying, yeah, you can hear me or you saw the trade. It happens quick. Tokyo Open, I've had some experience where it'll kind of play around, in which case, if I don't see my entry model, then I just wait for 9 p.m. Because usually or typically what happens is that if it doesn't happen at 8 p.m. at Tokyo Open, then the next hourly macro comes around at 9 p.m. and it will happen. If it doesn't happen at 9 p.m., I don't trade until midnight. I don't mess with 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. I did some back testing and I just noticed that the win rate is lower. It doesn't mean it won't work. It just means that my expectation is lower for the trades to work out at 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern time. So wait for midnight. Midnight has been really good lately. I don't know what it is, but it's been, you'll get a 4-point winner or a 5-point winner, and then they'll just blow up like 20 points. It's been really expanding good. So I don't know. This model is really good. I don't know if you're familiar with Riley Trades. Let me go. Riley Trades with a Z. Go here. Go to his channel. I used to be part of his Discord. I'd recommend it. It's his model. It's really simple. It's a fair value gap where price pulls back into it, but doesn't breach the 50% of the fair value gap. And you're looking for, in this case, a bullish trade. I'm looking for a candle close above previous candle high out of the fair value gap. So we got it right there. That's where I entered right there. Let me put on my execution so you can see. Right, so 5191.4. Oh, I got it. So right at 5191.4. So I did it perfectly, which is great. Stops. It's a little subjective. For gold, gold can be a little wicky at times. In general, I want it below the fair value gap. If I can't have it below the fair value gap, in other words, there's like too much volume, then I'll put it below the candle low of the entry candle, right? So in this case, this candle closed above the previous candle high. I wouldn't put it right at the low. I would, give it some room. In general, I don't know, gold, I really want 4 points. So I'm going 1-to-1, 4 points. I really don't want a 2-point stop loss. It's just not something I want for gold. Just been my experience. It's just kind of anecdotal. It's nothing, there's no data behind that statement, but that's just what I want. I want 4 points. So anyway, hopefully that worked out for you. Hopefully the stream was good for you. If not, I'm just kind of messing around. I don't really know what I'm doing with these streams. I'm trying to build up my TikTok actually, so we'll see what happens there. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stream now. I'll come back at midnight and maybe do another stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Take care.